guys, welcome back to Teddy Girls YouTube channel. And today we're feeding the dogs.
In the rain.
Yeah, in the rain. As you can see, Mummy has got an umbrella. As you can see, it's very wet. So, yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna do a time lapse of us walking there. Hopefully you enjoy. Okay, we're here now, guys. We cut out a little bit of it because you've seen the first bit so many times now. You've seen this bit a lot, but we just thought we'd show you a little bit more. Yeah. We've got some Weetabix and some bread.
Come on, get your Weetabix.
So we got 3 pieces of bread, and we're gonna do one and a half each, but we're gonna do me off camera because I'm treating it like it's my YouTube channel. But yeah, after this we might stop the dog videos for about a month if that's okay with you. And then next dog video we might do like a montage or something, or maybe even go somewhere different. So yeah. Anyway, hopefully you're looking forward to the content in a month. We're gonna go around, see if so we can go nearer to the ducks. Okay guys, we found some ducks. They're just flying away. That one's just flown away. I don't know what. I think there's someone else here. Sorry guys, we thought there'd be some ducks coming, but
I can hear them.
oh, there's one right there. Or that might be a bird, I'm not sure. But yeah. So this may be boring. We're just waiting for the duck. Should we go a little further?
Yeah, there's some more hens here.
Okay. So here's some hens and more hens, and Mummy's feeding them right now. Anything you want to say?
No. Hello. Hope you're all having a good Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday. For some of you back to school. I mean, most of you, but
Not everyone's at school, hopefully. There's other people watching as well. If they're interested, of course.
yeah. But for some people like me. Anyway, so here they are, guys. Should we go a little further?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna do another time lapse. Where should we go next? Where that bridge is?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, so look, here's the bridge right here. So we've just crossed over it. We're roughly about over there where my finger's pointing. So yeah. Anyway, oh, it's zoomed into Mummy.
Hello.
Hello.
Come on, guys. Here's your bread.
Yeah, I'm really sorry about this. I just don't think the dog's really hungry. I think the owners have come recently. So yeah. We did a video yesterday. Yeah, go check that out if you want. Oh, there's a poll for that right here. So yeah, and we did a little bit extra like picnicking, but you'll find out the better stuff in it. So yeah, I'm gonna turn the brightness up. It's usually kind of dark, but yeah. Okay, so usually we don't do this, but I'll feed them now once Mummy time lapses me around.
Yep.
Mummy used all of it last time, I believe. I can't remember. Did she? Oh no, I did it, but you know, off camera, so someone's giving me a little bit of a chance.
Let's see
Yeah, I'm gonna feed
if
the
they
ducks.
smell. Ah, we go. Look.
So yeah, there's none on this side, as you can see. Mommy, I'm
Yes,
gonna show them this side. Look, there's nothing on that side.
Now they're definitely more quieter today, aren't they?
But yeah, anyway, so back to the other side we go, and I'm gonna carry on feeding them. So yeah, there's only 4 here, weirdly enough. There must
2 girls,
there must be
1
some
man,
recent
and a
people.
moorhen.
Yeah, so anyway, hopefully you enjoyed that video. Anyway, so bye.
Bye.